Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and today I've got with me Josh from our MSP team, and he's going to be talking about the importance of reporting and doing technology business reviews. Welcome, Josh.
Hey, I'm Josh.
So for the past 20 years, Impress Computers has been providing support to companies in the Houston and surrounding areas with IT support. Now, one of the things that differentiates us is the reporting and technology business reviews. Now, Josh, you got your degree from University of Houston in change management. And tell us, what is the importance of having that reporting and doing those reviews with customers?
So there's a lot of things that go in with the reporting. For one, we're going to give you a health report. We're going to give you a backup report. We're going to give you your domain status. We're also going to go over and give you the antivirus status. So, first we're going to go over the health status. We're going to go and look at all of your computers. We're going to let you know if your hard drive's full. We're going to let you know if your backup, you need to do your Windows updates. And then, from there, we're going to let you know the top 5 ones that have the most critical issues. We're going to let you know, hey, these need to be restarted.
So instead of waiting for the machine to go wrong and then call the IT,
right,
we proactively letting you know these could be issues. Let's go and fix it before it becomes a problem.
Yes, and we let the office manager know, hey, these need to really be looked at. So then we can set up a time to come over there and get those ready and set up. And the next thing you do, we're gonna go through our backup software. We're gonna check with we have a Cronus backup software, so we're gonna go through and check all that. We actually spin it up, make sure that we're able to actually get the data off of there and make sure everything's actually being backed up correctly. We've had instances with other clients where they come to us because their current IT was not actually checking their backups, and then when they got hit with ransomware, everything was gone.
Yeah, so because the ransomware spread to the backups, right, and they weren't checking the backups. We also had that other prospect that we're looking at the moment. Mm-hmm. They went to boot up their server. The server didn't come back on. They went to their backup. It hadn't backed up in 6 months.
Right. And guess what? They lost that data and they can't get it back. That's 6 months lost time.
It's gone.
They have to go back and redo everything now, and it's just a huge hassle for them. So if they would have been with us, that issue would have never happened because we actually spin up the backups, make sure they work. We can get the data if we need to anytime. It's not a problem. So we've actually had other issues, where people get ransomware. We're able to bring it back in within 2 days. If your whole system gets messed up and we were backing it up, we'll have you back and running within 2 days. So the next thing we would talk about is the domain status. So, we go through and we check to make sure your website's
It's one of the things that everybody forgets.
Oh, yeah. We let them know, hey, your domain's about to go out here in a month. So luckily, thanks for letting me, reminding me. They go and update it. They're good to go. The other thing that we do with the reports is we check the antivirus status. So we use Sentinel-1. It tells us, hey, they're active, or, we need to update their versions. So we go ahead and update it while we're doing that stuff, and we check it, constantly monitoring. It's really good to know that your antivirus is working and in place, and with the built-in SOC, it's able to stop ransomware in its tracks. So
you're really looking at your health status, your security status, and your backup status. Mm-hmm. And if the IT company is not providing you those in the form of a report, they're not really verifying that they're doing what you're paying them to do.
Correct.
So it is important to trust your IT guy, but if he's not verifying what he's doing, you're waiting till disaster happens, and then you're hoping that it's going to work.
Yeah, if your current MSP doesn't provide any type of reporting, then how do you know what they're doing? There's no way to prove that they're doing their jobs without, hey, give me that report to show me that you're actually monitoring and looking at these things. Impress Computers will provide that for any client that we have. So,
well, Josh, it's been great chatting to you, and thank you for all the work that you do and keeping our customers safe.
Of course. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you've got any concerns about your current IT and how effective they are, then you can give us a call at 281-647-9977 or reach us on the web at impresscomputers.tech and fill out one of the forms, and we'll do a complimentary on-site consultation to make sure that you're protected.